Hello everyone. In this video we will perform some programs using series. So let's start. The first program is write a program to create a series and arrange all elements in ascending order and descending order. So how to create a program? First create a series and arrange all the elements in ascending order or descending order. For this, import pandas as pd, define your series pd.series. Here you can pass a list with its element. So when you print this variable as, it will create your series. Now I want to arrange all these elements in ascending order. So first let's print it in ascending order. For this, print your variable s and use function sort values. So when you use sort values, it will arrange all the elements in ascending order. Now let's print it in descending order. Use same function sort values, and here with sort values pass a argument that is ascending equals to false. By default, sort values function will arrange all the elements in ascending order. When you use ascending equal to false, so it will return all the elements in descending order. So like this you can perform this program using sort values function. Let's perform some other programs. Write a series with elements and display elements greater than 30. So let's assume there are some elements which are having the values 30. So in the series we have to display all the elements greater than 30. So for this, you can print your series, and here you can apply the condition the series elements display all the elements from series which are greater than 30, or you can directly use as greater than 30. It will return you Boolean expression for all values, that is true or false. So there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 elements are greater than 3, so it will return Boolean expression that is true. First is true, second is true, third is false, that is 30. Next is true and true. So like this, you can display elements from series with condition, or you can use here square brackets if you want. So it will display the elements, not the Boolean expression. Now let's update some elements in series. Write a program to create a series and change the values at its second row. Second row means index 1, and third row that is index 2 to value 100. So at index 1 or index 2 we want to change values, that is 100. So let's see how to update these values in series. So for this we can use slice operator 1 or 3. It means it will start from 1 and goes up to n minus 1, that is 2. So at index 1 or at index 2 update value 100, then print your series. So you can see the series after updating values. So at index 1, that is second row or third row, has been updated with value 100. So that's all. Thank you for watching the video.